J-State drum majors cut up the best.
Y'all know they're not gonna roll off tomorrow. So they wanna roll off today. No. They rolling off? Oh, they wanna roll off. I bet they wanna do it tomorrow.
There they go. There they go. JSU, Sonic Boom in the South, where you at? The Boom Box Classic here in the capital city. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Drum majors be cutting up. You gotta give it to J-State drum majors, they be cutting up. But you know, they're not rolling off tomorrow. So, that's funny. Look at y'all boys, man.
They say get ready. Are you ready? Okay, break legs, okay. JSU, where you at? Make some noise. The Sonic Boom in the South, JSU. Get ready. It's the Boom Box Classic. Let's here I come. Hey! Welcome out to the capital city. Representing the best of the best with the HBCUs. Y'all put your hands together for our student musicians for the Boom Box Classic.
Gavin doing that.
All right, Baton Rouge, how was that? Y'all feeling it? Feels like showtime. They came out here in war mode. They say they ready. They hear what you talking about. They say they gonna let the brands talk for them. All right, JSU, welcome to the capital city. Tonight, you're gonna get a demonstration from the best of the best. Sonic Boom in the South and the human juke. Underneath the bright lights of Mumford Stadium, Dr. Little and Dr. Taylor lead two of the best in the HBCU. Hey, Baton Rouge, y'all feel that? Hey, Baton Rouge, y'all hear that? Sound like they came ready? They say they got it on their mind. I'm telling you what they told me to tell y'all. They say, feel how you feel. They finna let them instruments do the talking. JSU, show them some love.
I'm gonna tell you that's messy, and I love it because they marched around the field. They marched around the field. They didn't go straight to the stands. They marched around the field. I'm not even mad at that. I love it. We're gonna see what happens.